Welcome to Beldex. Blockchains are transparent ledgers. That means anyone can see how much crypto you hold. If they can link your address to your real-world identity, yes, an exchange or a blockchain analysis firm can easily do this. For a currency to be fungible, all of its denominations must hold equal value. This is achieved by confidential coins. Confidential coins like Beldex do not link the sender to the receiver. Their transactions are free of linkability and traceability. Thus, the Beldex team decided that CryptoNote, the confidential protocol powering Monero, would be the right choice for the Beldex network. The Beldex mainnet launched in March 2018. It used the proof-of-work consensus and the kryptonite algorithm. About 65% of the total supply was distributed through ICO pre-sales and public sales between May-August 2018. During this period, a bug bounty program was launched to attract independent developers and auditors to review the Beldex codebase. By December 2018, BDX was listed on CoinGecko and was successfully trading on BTC, Alpha, and Stex crypto exchanges. First quarter 2019, the network transitioned to the kryptonite heavy algorithm in an effort to resist a SIC-based mining. At the same time, a significant masternode update was rolled out, enabling BDX holders to become validators on the Beldex network. Masternode validators were now able to collateralize their BDX to earn rewards while adding to the network security and decentralization. In second quarter 2019, Beldex was listed on CoinMarketCap and was among the top 250 cryptos by market cap during this period. BDX was listed on the IDCM exchange and then on the Evanode's Masternode pool staking platform. In third quarter 2019, Beldex obtained an AML compliance certification from the Financial Services Authority of Estonia. At the same time, Beldex partnered with the Magnum decentralized wallet. In 2020, the Beldex network was upgraded to the kryptonite conceal algorithm as more people began to use it. The network became congested with blocks taking longer than 120 seconds to be processed. It was clear that proof of work had its drawbacks. The community overwhelmingly voted for an on-chain scaling solution, and thus in second quarter 2020, the research on the Beldex proof of stake chain began. In Q3 of the same year, phase 1 of POS testing on the Beldex testnet and research on Beldex D apps began. The Beldex decentralized web wallet went live. BDX was listed on Bayucoin. Beldex International Inc. was registered in Seychelles. 2021 marked substantial milestones in the development of the Beldex POS network. BDX was listed with data providers like Nomics, CoinPaprika, CMC.io, CoinCodex, CoinRanking, and CryptoCompare. Version 2 of the web wallet, the Electron, desktop wallet, and the Android wallet were launched in Q2. BDX was listed with the Bilaxy crypto exchange to ensure that BDX holders can participate in the growing DeFi ecosystems. The Beldex chain was bridged to the Binance Smart Chain. This enabled holders to swap BDX for WBDX, a BEP20 token pegged to BDX on a 1:1 ratio. In third quarter 2021, version 2 of the white paper and an updated roadmap was released. The Beldex website's user interface was revamped. Meanwhile, Flash Instant Transactions, proof-of-stake dependencies, the storage server, and Belnet DVPN were pushed onto the testnet. In fourth quarter 2021, BDX was listed with the Tier 2 exchanges, MXC and Hotbit. BDX was also listed with the Masternode shared staking platform, MyCointainer, and the Masternode cold staking platform, NodeHub. Round 1 and Round 2 of the Beldexpo's airdrops were conducted with 150,000 participants. An improvised version of the Beldex Android wallet went live. In late September 2021, the Beldex testnet faced a slight setback when proof-of-stake nodes failed to communicate with each other. But we did not relent. In early October 2021, this was rectified as we began testing POS once again. On December 10, 2021, history was made when the Bucephalus hard fork went live. The Beldex network successfully transitioned from a proof-of-work to a proof-of-stake consensus at block height 740,421. This transition introduced the following changes. Miners were deprecated. Block rewards increased 5 times. Masternode validator rewards were increased by 212.5%. The transaction size was reduced, and 4 times faster block creation from 120 seconds to 30 seconds. At the end of 2021, Beldex had a total of 350,000 users worldwide, with over 200,000 daily active wallets. First quarter 2022. In January, an enhanced version of the mobile wallet was launched on both the Android and iOS platforms, which allows users to instantly sync to the Beldex network, as well as store, send, and receive BDX. BDX was listed on HitBTC, a top 100 cryptocurrency exchange on CMC. The Beldex Contributor Program was launched. Community members could take part in the project's research, development, and marketing activities. The Beldex codebase was audited by Certic, a leading blockchain auditing firm. Beldex is committed to innovating and making novel advancements to crypto. Thus, we introduced the Beldex Research Labs, a separate entity that deals with the research and development of the Beldex ecosystem. Beldex was listed on the Perfect Node's masternode hosting platform. On June 29, 2022, the first decentralized application built on top of the Beldex network went live. The BChat private messenger was launched on both the Play Store and App Store. Simultaneously, BChat's website was launched. On BChat, users could send and receive truly private messages. They could open social and secret groups. BChat was also featured on Forbes on June 29, 2022. The Masternode Monitor app went live on August 23, 2022. This enabled Masternode operators to easily monitor their masternodes. On August 18, 2022, BDX was listed on Gate.io, a top 10 cryptocurrency exchange on CMC. On September 1, 2022, Beldex Research Labs partnered with Geometry Labs and researchers from the University of Erlangen-Nuremberg to advance its research activities. On September 28, 2022, the beta version of the Belnet decentralized VPN app was launched on the Play Store. Simultaneously, the Belnet website was launched. Belnet masks your IP address and anonymously routes your traffic through the Beldex network. On October 2, 2022, BChat's voice and video call feature was launched. Users could now make encrypted peer-to-peer calls to their loved ones. On November 1, 2022, the BChat desktop app went live for Windows, macOS, and Linux. Fourth quarter 2022. The Belnet app's UI/UX was updated with new features that showed logs as well as the upload and download speed. BChat and Belnet was listed on decentralized app stores like Magic Square, DappRadar, Dapp.com. The Beldex coin was listed on the non-custodial KYC-free platforms Let's Exchange and Simple Swap. The Beldex ecosystem has only revealed the tip of the iceberg. First quarter 2023. Partnered with StealthX. Beldex partnered with the StealthX swap. This partnership enabled swap from BDX to a number of other cryptocurrencies. Partnered with Higlin. Beldex partnered with Higlin, a masternode hosting platform on January 10, 2023. Higlin subsequently added the BDX payment gateway on their platform. Users can host Beldex masternodes and pay with BDX. Launched international communities on Telegram. International Telegram communities for Turkey, Korea, China, Russia, Vietnam were launched. With this, Beldex has a total of 11 international communities. BDX listed on KuCoin Exchange, one of the top crypto exchanges on CoinMarketCap. Partnered with Traycoder.app. Beldex partnered with Traycoder.app, a KYC free swap that lets users anonymously swap other cryptocurrencies for BDX and vice versa. Beldex exit node rewards and selection criteria announced. Beldex announced the updated exit node rewards and selection criteria for exit node contributors. Based on the updated and attractive reward mechanism, a number of contributors began setting up exit nodes. BDX verified on CMC. BDX was verified on CoinMarketCap and currently ranks 234. The Beldex wallet was integrated onto the BChat decentralized messenger. BChat users could text and send BDX in-app. This feature went live on January 23, 2023. Belnet for desktop launch. The desktop version of the Belnet DVPN was launched for Windows and Linux operating systems. This enabled users to browse anonymously from their desktop and laptop devices. BChat wallet feature live on BChat desktop. The BChat wallet feature feature went live on the desktop version of the app for Windows, Linux, and macOS. BDX was listed on the Exchange.me KYC free swap on February 11, 2023. BDX was listed on the SwapSpace KYC free swap on February 17, 2023. BDX was listed on the Houdini Swap platform on February 17, 2023. Houdini Swap also uses intermediaries like Beldex to anonymize the swap of other cryptocurrencies. Beldex partnered with DWF Labs, a market maker and Web3 investing firm. DWF Labs invested a total of $25 million for the research and development of the project. BDX was listed on the Changelly Swap platform on March 2, 2023. On March 6, 2023, an updated version of the Belnet app was launched on Play Store, which showed upload and download speeds along with connection logs. On March 8, 2023, Beldex partnered with the Ivan DPay e-commerce and payment gateway platform. Users were able to pay using BDX on Ivan DPay's vending machines in Dubai and on point-of-sale machines after purchase from specific retailers. The custom exit note feature was added to the Belnet mobile app for Android on March 27, 2023. The Pay-As-You-Chat feature that can be used to send and receive BDX right from the chat window went live on the BChat desktop app for Windows on March 31, 2023, second quarter 2023. MEXC Global BDX BTC pair listing. A new BDX BTC trading pair was listed on the MEXC Global Cryptocurrency Exchange on May 3, 2023. A new BDX BTC trading pair was listed on the Gate.io crypto exchange on May 11, 2023. On May 25, 2023, the Exelix swap platform offered a 50% discount on swap fee for BDX swaps. Belnet Desktop version 1.1.0 with custom exit node setup. An updated version of Belnet Desktop app with custom exit node setup feature was launched on May 31st, 2023. In addition to this, exit nodes were categorized as foundation run and community run nodes. Partnered with Arctic Wallet. Beldex partnered with Arctic Wallet to enable BDX users to hold, send, and receive BDX on the Arctic Wallet app. Partnered with Bickert Ventures. Beldex partnered with Bickert Ventures, a Web3 seed and VC firm. As a result, Beldex raised a total of $3 million in funding from Bickert Ventures for the development of the Beldex ecosystem. Beldex Electron Wallet revamped UI. Beldex Electron Wallet with a brand new and easy-to-use UI was launched on June 30th, 2023, third quarter 2023. The Pay-As-You-Chat feature went live on the BChat mobile app for Android on July 6, 2023. On July 25, 2023, NodeHub integrated the BDX payment gateway. Users can host Beldex master nodes and pay the platform fee in BDX. The Beldex Electron wallet with integrated swap was launched on the August 31st, 2023. Users could swap BDX for other tokens and vice versa right from the Beldex wallet for desktop devices. Fourth quarter 2023, Beldex partnered with the Euclid e-commerce platform, where users can buy various gift cards with BDX and then redeem the gift cards for real-world products and merchandise. Beldex partnered with Block Alpha Technologies, an investor and market maker who pledged USD $3 million for the research and development of the Beldex project, especially for the implementation of the network's proof of concept EVM. Beldex name service hard fork update goes live on testnet on the November 27, 2023, and is likely to release on the mainnet in January 2024. Height 1,251,330. The Beldex wallet update for Android launched on October 31st, 2023 with a sleek new design and improved performance. In the first half November 2023, Beldex conducted a live AMA event, affiliates event, and a trading contest for the community. More than $100,000 in BDX were awarded to winners. And Gate.io events. By the end of November 2023, Beldex conducted an AMA event, quiz contest, and a trading contest for the community. More than $14,000 in BDX were awarded to winners as prizes. The optional wallet feature on BChat for Android devices was released on November 18, 2023. The optional wallet feature on BChat for iOS devices was released on November 23, 2023. The Burn hard fork went live on the Beldex testnet on the November November 24, 2023, at a height of 1,251,330. The Beldex Wallet update for iOS devices was released on November 27, 2023, with improvised design and enhanced performance. In preparation for the Burn hard fork in January 2024, the respective binary packages were released for masternodes on the December 19, 2023. The Burn hard fork is expected to go live at mainnet height 2,986,890. 2024 updates. Q1. On January 10th, BDX debuted on the derivatives market with its listing on Deepcoin Exchange. The Burn hard fork was announced on January 17, marking a key milestone for the network. On January 22, the lightweight and convenient Beldex web wallet launched, enabling seamless third-party integration of BDX. The Burn hard fork went live on February 1st, introducing the highly anticipated Beldex name system names and domains. Soon after, the feature to buy and transfer BNS names was rolled out on BChat, the Beldex wallet, and the Electron wallet apps. On February 7th, Beldex partnered with KuCoin for a staking campaign, offering a remarkable 200% APR. The BNS burning mechanism contributed to over 1 million BDX burned by March 11th, showcasing the system's efficiency. By March 12th, more than 1,000 BNS names were registered on the Beldex network. On March 18th, BChat achieved 500,000 downloads on the Play Store, a major milestone in user adoption. Q2. On April 29th, the Beldex protocol launched support for the Polygon network, enabling anonymous Matic transactions. On May 23, the Electron wallet app introduced features to update, renew, and check the deregistration height of BNS names. On May 31st, the Beldex official wallet app was listed on Up2Down, providing an alternative to Play Store and App Store. On June 1st, 2024, BDX was added to the DEPIN category on CoinGecko. BDX ranks 22nd in the category. On June 14th, Beldex trended on CoinMarketCap under the DEPIN category. Beldex joined Zelcore as a supported wallet on June 25. Third quarter. The Hermes hard fork went live on September 3 at block height 3,546,545, introducing ETH address support for BNS names, multi-masternode setup limits, and enhanced network performance. Beldex entered the Binance Futures Next voting platform on September 4, gaining over 1 million votes in just 10 days. By September 24, Beldex achieved 2 million votes on Binance Futures Next, quickly climbing to 3 million votes within 2 days. To celebrate the Hermes hard fork, Beldex partnered with Higlin on September 30 to offer 1 month of free masternode hosting. Q4. On October 3, Beldex reached 4 million votes on the Binance Futures Next platform. On October 15, Beldex was again listed as a trending coin under the DEPIN category. On November 25, BDX was listed on CoinX under the BDX USDT market. CoinX users could also participate in the automated market maker program to provide liquidity and earn 50% dividends in trading fees. On December 6, BChat reached 1 million downloads on the Play Store. On December 10th, the Beldex browser for Android devices went live on the Play Store. The Beldex browser is integrated with an AI model that summarizes web content for quick and easy navigation. Vision for 2025, Q1. Sharding research begins to enhance network scalability. Development of sidechains starts to enhance transaction throughput. Beldex AI integrated into the browser for smarter, faster browsing. Bulletproof ++ live on testnet, enhancing transaction confidentiality and speed. Hardware wallet will support Beldex for secure asset storage and transaction. Safe HODL wallet, a wallet that supports Beldex and Ethereum-based tokens, will be released. Q2. Release of the BNS marketplace, which will act as a secondary market for BNS names. Deploy the first federated learning test model in BChat. Releasing the masternode dashboard for quick masternode overview. Implementing AI smart routing in Belnet for efficient data packet routing. Releasing Beldex protocol on the Arbitrum network. Virtual machine development kicks off, paving the way for future smart contracts. Q3. Hard fork that implements the Bulletproof ++ upgrade onto the Beldex network. Beldex protocol releases in the Optimism network. MN App Store will be launched to provide easy access to user-run MN apps. Release of the malware alerts feature in Belnet. Q4. The complete AI sidechain development will begin. Split tunneling feature will be implemented on Belnet. Large file sharing feature will be released in BChat. Sharding white paper Vive 1 will be outlining scalability advancements. Research on post-quantum cryptography starts to address future security needs. Vision for 2026. Q1. In 2026, Beldex will launch an upgraded voice and video calls feature on BChat. Research on smart contract features on sidechain DevNet will begin. ZK-BVM feasibility study will commence. Research will begin on post-quantum cryptography, and VRF will be implemented on the mainnet. Q2. Decentralized identity using FHE paper version 1 will be published. Private set intersection encryption will be implemented in BChat. Traffic will be optimized on Belnet using Beldex AI. Q3. First proof of concept for lattice-based cryptography will be unveiled. Personalized AI features will be released in BChat. Node quality assessment will be implemented in Belnet. Multimedia summarization will be released on the Beldex browser using Beldex AI. Q4. ZK-BVM testing starts on the sidechain testnet. Storage sharding development begins. Language and sentiment analysis in BChat. Security enhancements, threat detection model will be released in Belnet. Vision for 2027. Q1. The first NFT will be created on the sidechain DevNet. Decentralized identity will debut on the testnet. Spam and toxic content detection will enhance conversations on BChat. Security enhancements with a threat detection model will strengthen Belnet. Q2. BChat will feature improved recommendations. Belnet will introduce fraud and abuse prevention mechanisms. Q3. Privacy-preserving metrics will ensure safer interactions on BChat. Belnet will optimize performance with AI-powered load balancing between exit nodes. Q4. Beldex AI sidechain will launch on the mainnet. The first on-chain settlement will occur on the Beldex network. Predictive maintenance will boost reliability in Belnet. Projects will be onboarded to the sidechain. Decentralized identity will be released on the Beldex mainnet. With these exciting updates planned for 2025, 2026, and 2027, Beldex continues to lead the charge in building a more scalable, secure, and decentralized future. Stay tuned for more updates as we push the boundaries of blockchain technology. Beldex wishing you a happy new year. May the coming year bring you boundless opportunities and growth.